Hello, my name is Connor Quinlan, and in this review I'm going to be doing a quick comparison between the Nikon D5000 and the newer Nikon D5100 digital camera. Now this isn't really necessarily a comparison to see which one's better, but more of a look at what the D5100 has new over the Nikon D5000. So what we're going to start with is the most obvious thing, is the image quality. Now obviously there has been an upgrade in resolution from 14 megapixels to 16.2 megapixels, but obviously that's not very much of a difference, and nowadays we're not really concerned with megapixels, but image quality, and that is a massive difference between the 5000 and the 5100. The D5100 actually has image quality comparable to the D7000 camera. In fact, it might even be slightly better, although safe to say they're probably pretty much the same considering they use a similar sensor. So that's a big plus for the D5100, and that alone is enough reason to not look at the D5000 and possibly look at just going straight for a D5100 camera. Now what I'm going to do is go over a couple of the other features that the D5100 has that are new over the D5000. One thing is video. It shoots 180p video, so for those of you interested in video and photography, you can now shoot full HD video, and that's a lot better than the older 5000, which can only shoot 720p video. It also has a wider ISO ranging from 100 to 25,600 ISO. Very large range, same as the D7000, which is great considering the great improvement in ISO and image quality at higher ISO on the D5100 camera. It can also now shoot AFF in live view, which means that it autofocuses when shooting video. Now this is not necessarily a good thing considering it does make a lot of noise, and on the D7000 it made enough noise to where it was something you could definitely hear in the video. So it's not really necessarily a great improvement because I don't really find it all that usable. But other than that, there is the LCD screen, which is still swivel on the back, is a little bit different. It's actually side articulated instead of bottom articulated, and that's actually a neat improvement that I can't wait to try out when I actually get to when I rent the camera and can actually use it a little bit more and see how that makes a big difference. And then also the screen, the LCD screen on the D5100 now has a 921K screen, so it has a very high resolution. It's a Vegas screen, and it's swivel as well, so that's a really cool thing that they did. It can also shoot 14-bit RAW, which was originally something that only more professional cameras can shoot, but now the D5100 can shoot 14-bit RAW. And then finally it also has these modes called effect modes. And those are the major differences now between the D5100 and the older Nikon D5000 camera.